Hi friends, welcome to SR Physics Academy. Today we are going to discuss about conversion of octal to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to octal numbers. So first of all, we should know that what is octal and hexadecimal. So what is an octal number system? An octal number system is a number system which is having base 8, where base 8 where base 8 represents the 8 digit from 0 to 7. And what is a hexadecimal number system? A hexadecimal number system is a number system which is having base 16, where base 16 represents 16 digits 0 to 9 and A, B, C, D, E and F. Now, how to convert an octal number into a hexadecimal? In this one, for example, we have taken octal number 123 base 8. So, in this case, we cannot directly convert an octal number system into a hexadecimal number system. First, we need to convert the octal number system into binary number system. Okay. So here which number we have now? 123. So first we have to convert it into octal into binary. Then so what is the value of, in this case, 3 value? From 3, what is the decimal 3 means? We have, what is that? 0 1 1. First before my last class I told you, octal decimal system we have only 3 digit numbers. Okay, hexadecimal system we have 4 digit number system. So in this case 3 digit, the value of 3 means we have to take it only 3 digit. That means from left to right. So 0, what is will come, what is the value of 3? 0 1 1. And what is the value of binary value of 2? Yes, that means in this case 2 is 3 digit 0 1 0. Then 1 means here 1 0, so 0 0 1. Okay. Next, after that we have to extract 4 bits in a group. Okay. So how we will take the 4 bits? From the right side we have to take. Okay. That means here we have to take 4 bits, in this case from left to right. What will come? Okay, we have to extract, we are dividing, that's we got it 0 0 1 1, first one. Second we are subtracting 0 1 0 1. So in this case, see, we have only how many zeros we have taken here? From 0 1 0 1. So and last we have only 1 0. So we have to put it left side for 3 times 0 again. Okay, it's clear? Now, because now just we are putting the left side 0 for how many times? Here we need 4 bits. So that means 4 times 0. Then after that provide the hexadecimal to extract 4 bits. Okay. So now 4 bits. From this case, what is the value of 0 0 1 1? Yes, we have 3 5 0. That means equal to hexadecimal equivalent. Let's check once more. 0 0 1 1. 0 0 1 1. That means we have binary to hexadecimal. What is the value? 3. Next is 0 1 0 1. So what is the value here? 5 we have. And 4 times 0, that means even decimal and hexadecimal also we will get 0 only. Okay. So the left side 0 we can neglect. So we can write it 53 is our answer. So let's take one more example. 331 base 8. Same procedure. What we have to do it first? Octal to we cannot means convert octal to hexadecimal. So first we have to do it octal to binary. Okay. Then we have to remember that octal means we have to take 3-digit numbers. So just in this case, what is the value will come here? Yes, 1 means what we got it 331. Okay, yeah, that means 1 control 1. So we in this case we got it 331. So that means 001. Okay, we got it from left side. Then after that again 3. 3 means from decimal we got it here. Okay, from 110, that means 110. Then again we got 3 only, same number, that means 1 1. So even left side also we can take it 0. Okay, then again we extract 4 digits. So here I am taking directly 4. So 4 from left to right. So now again conversion from binary to hexadecimal. That means binary. What is the value of 1001? So we know already. What is the value from this here? We will get 9. Then again, okay, 1101. That means we got it 1101. We got D. Okay. So our answer is D9. Next one more taking example with the decimal point. Okay, so in the last class also we discussed about what is the decimal point. So here see 765.02. Okay, so in this class means in this problem what we have to do? We have to same procedure from conversion octal number into binary. After that again even decimal also, that is a rule we learn. What we have to do, from always we have to write from left to right in this case. Okay, from after decimal we have to write right to left. Okay, we have to remember that. Then again after that what we have to do in this case, first we will see that normal. Okay, octal numbers before decimal. That means what is the value of 5 here? 5 is, in this case we can write it 3 digit. We have to remember 3 digit now. So 3 digit 5 means we will get 101. Okay, so we can write it 101. And next digit is we have 6. 6 means again 3 digit, so we can write it 110. So 110 we will get. Then again 7. What is the value of 7 here? Again 3 times 1. Okay, you have to remember again we are taking only octal number system. We are taking only 3 digit. Okay, so that means here we will I am writing here how many times? 3 times 1. It's clear now. Then again decimal. So then again we know that 0 means from what? 0. So 1 0 0. After that 2 means 0 0 1 0. This is the first step. Okay, just we are converting from this is a decimal value to binary. Okay, after that what is the next step? What we have to do? We have to grouping. Okay, how many times we have to do it here? That means 4. Okay, that means 4 bits. So that means from left to right. So 1 2 3 4. So this is means 1. Okay, So here I am written here 0 1 0 1. After that again grouping. So this is, we will take it one box. Clear? One box. Then again this is the second group. So 4 number I am taking. So we will get 4. Then last one we have only one number. Okay. So what we have to do it? So how many digits we need here? That means total 4 bits. So here we have only 1. So we can simply we put it 3 times 0. Now it's clear. That means we have only now 4 bits. Okay. So this is the method I am written here. After that, yes, just we are converting binary to decimal. Okay, binary to decimal. What we will do in this step? So just we will see before decimal. Okay. So in this case 0101, where it is there 0101, 0101 means our value is 5. Okay. So here I put it 5 value. After that second one grouping time, what we got is 4 times 1. In this case where it is 4 times 1 here. Okay. So we know the value is F. Because why it is coming F? Because we know the hexadecimal we have 16 base. Okay, 16 base means, so it will come here after 9 again A, B, C, D, E, F. So in this just we know that 15. Okay, so triple 1 means 4 times 1 means the value is F. After that, this last one, 001, nothing met, it will be 1 value. So we put it 1. Okay. So after that again, after decimal, we know that 0 means bit, everything is there, 0 only. Then here again 1000. Here also we are grouping. How we are grouping here from? After decimal, right to left. Okay, we have to, in this case left to right, but in this case after decimal right to left. So we are grouping from 1 2 3 4. So we are grouping, this is 4. Okay, then again how many digit here? 2. We how many digit we need? Again 4. So that means 2 times 0. Okay, so this one we got it 1000. That is the another box. Okay. Now 1000 means what is the value here? 1000, that means here 100 means 8. Okay. So we got it 0 and 8 base is 16. Is it clear? So just remember that when octal to hexadecimal, we can't convert or directly octal to hexadecimal. So first step, this octal number we have to convert it into first binary. Okay. The after binary, how we will write it binary means from there three values. Okay, 3 digit. After that again we have to group 4 bits group, extracted 4 bits in a group. Then we will get hexadecimal number given to each group bits. Okay, that is each group bits we will get. After that just then we know the value, binary value, what bit it is there in hexadecimal. So we will get this value. Okay, clear? Okay, next we are going to convert hexadecimal to octal. Okay, in the last class we learned our last slide, octal to hexadecimal. Now hexadecimal to octal. So how we will do that? In this case, see we know that hexadecimal the letters also will come. So AC, my first question is giving AC base 16. So what we have to do, AC means we can do for our convenience. So we are writing what is A value. Okay. So just a reverse of octal to hexadecimal. Nothing is difficult here. So in this case, what is the value of C? Uh, to convert hexadecimal number to binary, we write 4-bit binary equivalent of each hexadecimal digit in the same order. Okay. So what is the C value here? What is C? C means in this case what we'll get? 1100. What is A value? Means 1010. Okay. So if we know very well the truth table, okay, so it is very easy within 2 minutes or within we will get the answers. After that, okay, so what is we got? We just substituting this value here. We are putting this value directly. After that, starting from the binary, we what is that here? 1100. Okay. Then again we have to regrouping. Okay, grouping of 3 bits. So in this, okay, let's check once more. So just we are writing first numbers. Okay. After that we are regrouping the 3-digit number. So we can write it from left to right 100. We got it. After that 1, this 1 and 1 0. Okay. So 101, that is also 3, this is also 3, this is also 3. After that in this case 1 0 only is there. So this we know that for our necessary we are putting left side 1 0. So we will get 0 1 0. So okay. Next is just we are putting the value. What is 100? 100 means we will get, even I told you that octal number means 3 digit, don't get confused here. So 100, so we know the value of 4, then again 101, that means 5, next is 010, okay, that means we will get 2. This is our answer, 254 base. Sorry, here one small error, it is there. We have to write it to convert it to octal, so this it will come 8. Okay. Now, okay, let's take another one more example here. 7b16. Same procedure. What we have to do it first from hexadecimal to binary. Okay. So our first binary. Then again we have to grouping here. Then we will get the value. Okay, let's discuss once more. So in this case, what is the value of B? B we have 1011, 4 bit only. Okay, so 1011 we got it. And what is the 7 value? 7 means 0111. So 0111, then again 8. So we got it. Okay, 1000. So clear? First we we are getting directly hexadecimal value. Okay, directly hexadecimal value to binary. So don't get any confusion here. Directly we are putting. After that, what is the second step? We have to grouping. For what is the purpose here? We have to do it octal numbers, is it? So we have to grouping what? 3 digits. So 1 digit. Okay, this is from left to right. 1 digit. Again 1, 2, 3. 3 digit we will get. Again 1, 2, 3. 3 digit. So here, okay. So in this case, what all are equal 3 digits. So no need to means putting the value of left side 0. So all are equal digit. We got it. Then after that, what just we are substituting the value here. So let's take 011. In this case, what will come 011? That means 3 we got it. After that, 111, 3 digit. 31, that means 7 we got. Then again 001, that means 1. Then again 100. Where it is 100? 100 means we will get 4. Okay, so is it clear? So that means base. How base is 8? That means we are converting to octal. Okay. So let's we go to little bit complicate with the decimal point. Okay. So in this case, what happened? What we have to do? Fourier value from left to right. So 6f after decimal, right to left. We have to remember that one. Okay. So how we got it? We will discuss once more. From left to right. Okay, from left to right, what is first? A value. What is A value here? A value is putting directly value 1 0 1 0. Okay, we got it. After that 4 means 0 0 1 0. This value. Okay, 0 0 4 digit, that means 4 value means 0 1 0 0. Okay, 0 1 0 0, sorry, this is a typo error. Yes, 0 1. After that, after decimal 6, that is I told you from right to left, that means first 6 value we have to take in. 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0, we got it. Then F value, that means last digit, that means 4 times 1. Okay, next what is the next step? We have to grouping 3 3. From here also we have to take it from left side. Okay, before digit. So 1, then again 1. Okay, so now it's clear why we are putting here 0, that means for grouping time. Okay, so now we can take it 0 also. After that, again this also grouping. Okay, grouping, but in this case we have to put it one more 0. So now, what is the value of 0 1 0? 0 1 0, we will get what? 2 value we will get 2. Next we will know 0 0 1 0 0 1, 1 and 2 only. Next is again 0 1 1. 0 1 1 means we know 3. Again, so here 2 times 0 1 1 has come. So 3 times 3 2 times. Then again 1 1 0. 1 1 0. Okay, so 1 1 0 we will get. Okay, 1 1 0 we will get 6. Okay, don't get confused here. See, here also 1 1 0, but in this case what happened? The 4 digit. So that means we can say that what? 1 1 1 0. Okay, but in this case left side 0, so 0 1 1. So you have to remember that we are grouping 3 digit. 3 digit means octal number. So octal number, what is the basis here? From 0 to 7. So no need to not come another from 8 to F value. Okay, that you have to remember. So in this case, so we are getting 6. So this is our answer. So this is some more question I am giving, just to do it practice. Thanks for watching.